Life is funny. Why do I say that? Well, all my life I've said that I don't want to fit into boxes. But recently I packed all my life into cardboard boxes and moved cities. So recently I shifted from Pune to Nashik and I moved all of my stuff. And trust me, I have a lot of stuff. Books, clothes, shoes, electronic gadgets and bags and makeup and perfumes and whatnot. And because my life there, I had converted that house into a home, right? To move homes is a tough job. You can't really pack everything into boxes, right? How do you pack your favorite people? Or how do you pack that vadapav? It's just hard. It was very, very tough. It's been a week now and I have been contemplating on how do I feel about this move. And while it has been great, I'm home. I love the food here. I love that I'm back in my own space. But I haven't lived here since a while. I used to come back and go, but I haven't lived here. So it's like a new beginning, a new setup. I'm setting up my desk, I'm setting up my cupboard, I'm setting up new routines here. Oh, setting up my diet. It's been going on, settling in. Work has been hectic as well, so it's still in progress. But we'll get there, right? But coming back to boxes, how do you pack all these emotions? How do you pack that feeling of running into someone that you know? Or those impromptu meets? Or the salsa class? Or my favorite dosa? Or those streets? Those metro rides? I miss it. It's emotional. Like today I had a vada pav and I was like, yeah, this is not the vada pav that I usually have. I still go back to a lot of things and हाँ ये तो पुणे में अच्छा मिलेगा, but yeah, it's okay. I think it's a change and we'll take it one day at a time. You know, when I told people that I'm moving, I think nobody believed it. Even my friends' moms, they were like, cancel झालं ना तुझं, थांबतीये ना तू? Like नहीं, करत जाती है. But हाँ, मतलब बहुत बड़ा change है ये. But I am enjoying the process of setting up a new space again. I am enjoying the process of being at home around mom, my sister. I am enjoying the घर पे रहना and not a bachelor place. I am still setting up, but it's getting there. So when I decided that I'm moving, I had like what, 12 plus 5, 17 days, okay, almost, or even less than that. And it was packed, like, because I had research interviews scheduled and what else was there, something or the other was already planned for those days, so I didn't have a lot on my hand. But still I did a lot of things. I went to my favorite places, I had amazing coffee, amazing food, I met my closest friends, I met my friends' parents whom I have been going to for food and for festivals and just for that homely feeling. I went to my favorite areas, I went dancing. You know the amazing part? So many of my friends gifted me things, but very wholesome, very thoughtful, like emotional gifts. It's crazy how much love that city has given me and how much that place has helped me grow. You know, that's life, right? And that's how growth comes. So I'm looking forward to this new beginning, a little bit of the old chaos, and the plan to keep growing and keep getting better. Here's a quick recap of what went down those 17 days and enjoy it with me.